Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Mercedes belt tensioner pulley on the Mercedes. In this case, it's a ML350. Easy, piece of cake. Let's get started. But before you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and a new video every Monday. Thanks. Start by taking off the cover.
So what we're going to do, we're going to take a 15mm socket and put it on right here.
And we're going to use that to release tension. I'm in the habit of using new bolts whenever I can. So I got some new bolts. And the size of these bolts is an E12 socket that I use. It's nice and snug on there. Okay, so we're going to take those two off, put two new ones on. So for this job, all we need is a E12 socket and a 17mm socket.
Taking the 15mm socket, we're going to release the tension on the tensioner. Then remove the serpentine belt.
This tensioner pulley right here, I'm going to spin it. And it's giving off sounds, right? Should be quiet like this one I changed recently. So we're going to go ahead and change not just the pulley, which you can do. I'm going to change out the whole unit. Two bolts using the E12, one here and one on the opposite side. So let's get that done. So using an extender on the tensioner, just going to go in and loosen up the first bolt. Then I'm going to loosen up the second bolt over here, buried in the corner. But to gain access to that second bolt, you put the breaker on there and you bend it out of the way like that. Here's a new one. Remember the orientation. We're going to put the top bolt in, second bolt in, and then we'll be good.
Remove the pin that holds the tensioner out of the way from the bolt right at the base after it's installed, not before.
Add some Loctite. I like to do it from the back, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to put one bolt in, upper top, just for a position. See where the bottom hole is right there? So, just line it up, turn it a little just to get it in there. Taking the second bolt, we're going to feed it into the lower hole. And because it's a tight fit, I'm going to use my extender to go in there and turn it by hand. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. Thanks and peace out.